This model is our DPC01. It's a counterbalance power drive unit with power drum lift. This unit's great when you have lots of drums in your factory and you want to move them long distance, as the power drive tiller allows you to drive around using the batteries on board. The unit has a charger, so we plug in at the front here to charge up the batteries, and then all the rear controls are at the rear. We're going to start off by lifting this blue drum and taking it off the pallet, and then we'll show you some other drums as well. So we drive towards the drum, get the catch to touch against the drum. It's good to keep a little bit of pressure against the drum, and this makes sure the catch is well seated under the top edge. We can then lift up, reverse the unit back. The unit's very controllable. So we've got these tiller throttles on the back, on the tiller, and these are very adjustable. So I can move slowly like it there, or we can go a little bit faster. Going to place the drum down and slowly move away. As you can see here on the tiller, these are our throttles, so we're using our thumbs to control the forward and reverse movement. We'll now take this green drum and move that as well. We're now lined up with this green drum, so we're going to lift that and remove that from the pallet. Coming forwards, applying a bit of pressure to the drum with the drive system, lifting, reversing backwards, and then we're going to position that again alongside the pallet there. This is a close-up of the automatic beak grip. I just want to show how it connects to the drum. First of all, we move the lifter towards the drum. We want the beak grip to touch the drum and apply some pressure. We can then lift, and this will bring the top hook down and clamp onto the lip of the drum. You can see now the top lip is secure. As we continue to lift, the drum will come up. It's now ready to move away from the pallet. We're just going to pick up a drum and show you the drive system in action. Driving forward, lifting. Once lifted, we can drive around. The unit's very fast. The idea is it improves your efficiency. If you've got a lot of drums to handle per day, it's important that the drums can be moved quickly and easily by the operators. And then lowering the drum down again. We're now looking at the rear controls. To turn on the unit, we take the key, place it into the unit, and twist clockwise. We know the unit's on because the battery indicator becomes live. Here we can see the state of charge. It's saying we have 99% battery. It's important to keep the unit charged to maintain the state of the batteries. Here we have the emergency stop button. In an emergency, press down on this button to stop the unit and stop all controls. We lift up to reset it. On the tiller at the rear here, we have our butterfly throttles, one on the right and one on the left, there for forwards and backwards. We have a horn in the centre, and we then have lower and lift on a rocker switch. On the top, this red button prevents you getting trapped behind the unit when you're reversing.